Good morning and greetings to everyone. Since I don't speak Kokbore, I'm going to take the help of my colleague Dr. Akash to translate because it's important that I want everybody to understand what I'm saying.
Kulungba jotona sars how bo kokborok chine how pusakang phaima ba kokborok kokba sik bo saimi abon bage bo ani help kisana na hin chao nongno kokborok binje kok samana kokborok ba chana bage.
Let me take the opportunity to extend our gratitude, respects and honor to the Honorable Maharaja. Without him today, this wouldn't have happened. So, thank you Maharaj ji.
Tini niyo dino ang Maharaj, chini Maharaj no khabe khokbe khapur mate kha kaham ya pharo tini niyo pandano chini bagai tui phaima bagai osaga.
I also take the opportunity to thank and extend our best wishes, gratitude to the Honorable CEM, Deputy CEM, the CEO, the executive members of the TTAADC and other senior officials and all these wonderful people who have travelled from far and wide from interior villages of Tripura. Thank you for coming today.
Tini niyo dino ang joto no tini phai manjak phai joto narowai okor no te oro phai joto manjak phai lukurok no bo ang khabe khokbe hambai te kha kaham ya pharo.
So let me start by telling you few things. 2 weeks back, I'm very sure all of you would remember that we inaugurated the tele-emergency center few weeks back. And few weeks back, about 60-year-old lady had visited Kumlung Emergency Center with 170 plus heartbeat per minute. And on a normal circumstances, she would have to be taken to Agartala to save her life or to even bring down the heart rate to stabilize it. This particular health condition could have taken anyway. But we are very happy and proud and humbled to tell you this, that 60-year-old lady was saved because of the emergency center here, and she was able to access the best of best experienced emergency doctors using technology. And in a short span of time, we at least have 15 to 16 cases of emergency stabilization, including an 104-year-old very, very senior geriatric person from your community, as well as over 400 specialty teleconsultation. By far, I have spent 18 years of my working life in community health. I have never seen overwhelming services taken in this fashion in community health.
Hadi bane sekang norak saimang kana ozaga chini apuro tele emergency wo kasha 60% ni rogi phaimani bini heart rate apuro 170 ka phaimani bo aboni ya golo jodi tini emergency kering ma dino hungkai agor tolbon tlangna na khamon initial stabilization ni bagi shimi pano kintu tini ozaga chini Bubagra ni tei ora phaimani apuro tele emergency ni bagi chengar doctor be connect khaya jaga bono cheng stabilize khai bono cheng panchiri mangkha abo tei cheng onek khak abo khawa khakchang ma tei nyongna kokno tini chana musongo আপনি ইয়াগুলো চিনিও টেলি এমার্জেন্সি ও প্রথম বার 400 টা সুপার স্পেশালিটি কনসালটেশন अंखा अब এর আগে কোন জায়গা ইয়া কমসে কবাং খায় অরনি লুকুরকনি যতন তৈ চুবা মাতৈ তৈ বংনে চুবা মাতৈ তিনি চঙ্গ জায়গা কাম খাইতং
What we did as Apollo, bringing expert doctors using technology and all that, is nothing great. Our doctors do this every day across 74 hospitals plus. But what is most important is, how did we reach here? I should honestly place it on record, not because TAADC officials, the Maharaj and all of them brought me here. Honestly, this wouldn't have been possible in such a short notice if not for the push His Excellency Maharaj has done. He has literally pushed everything possible in the books to ensure that nowhere we would have done this project in 45-50 days. The amount of professional international knowledge Maharaj ji brings, he has seen the world, he has seen abroad, he has seen India, he has seen the best of everything. But for someone to see and bring it for his people is something very noble. We are humbled that we have an opportunity to work with this great man. Thank you, Maharaji.
Nora ora je one sukmani je ati health care kasha obo kintu agini simno tongo sisden jim tong phai onek bosor ka kintu chini ora o health care no chung tuimaya tini chung o jaga phai nong bosang basa phai mangkha শুধু মাত্র বড় মাসান বাগে সিমনো চিন বুবাগ্রা তাই চিন টিটিএডিসি নি বাকি যত মেম্বার নি বাগে সিমেনো মহারাজা চিন মহারাজা অনেক জায়গা গরিব ভাজা নোক ভাজা বন্নগুই ভাইয়া কই তিনি চিনি বাগৈ অ হাও অ খুমলঙ্গ অম তুমানি বাগৈ जों বনা বলাই বলে খান্য খাপুর মাতাই হামাইয়া ফারো ববিনি ও তিনি ন চেষ্টা ও কোনো লামা যেসা পাথর হিন্দি লামা যেসা বুসুবুলং হनै যতন সবাই যতন পার খাইব চিন বাগৈ দিন খুমলঙ্গ টিটিএডিসি ও অ্যাপোলো হেলথ কেয়ার ন তুই जों नंनि लुकुरंनि बागै सामुं तांना बागै बो जोंनो अर सम्भव खायदिखा
So it is not going to stop here. In less than few weeks, the next project is already on the way. You are now traveling to come to Kumlung to take your services. Now Maharaji wants to take the services to the doorstep of every single person who is sitting here. And this is not an ordinary vehicle. I can assure you, in India, if not the only one or very few like this, this is going to bring you all spectrum of healthcare. Just not any doctor consultation, women's health, children's health, geriatric, senior people's health, vision, anemia, you name it, this vehicle is going to carry everything, and it will also allow you to talk to expert specialists. This kind of facility, I can assure you, not even the most developed states have it. And this is just the beginning. Maharaji wants to bring a blood bank. There is going to be giving away of free spectacles to people. And overall, when you educate a woman, you educate a family. When you educate a family, you educate a society. Maharaj's approach is like that. He wants to bring wellness into all of your people. If you are all good, then everybody else is fine. This is what I have understood in the last few months. I have interacted with the TADDC officials, the Honorable CEM, Jamatia Saab, and all of them. They are all in one unity, wants to do this, and we are going to be mandated to do this for you all.
ताबुंनि चिन सुरु खायमानि म अर सिमि जों बाथागिया अम सुरु सिखौ ताबो जों खायथानाय ताबो चाइटोबै थानाय जों तिनि जे अर साखा मालखं फायमानि अ मालखं रक्त वानसुकि हानि डॉक्टर सिमि फायनाय जानाय नायफैजागनो नायनो अर तंनाय नंनि ब्रै रंनि साखा मेनायनाय जे रंनि साखा मेनायनाय अक्रा चाक्रं साखा मेनायनाय नंनि अजग थै कमंगै आबनि बागै ब साखा मेनाय जानाय अर नर फेसिलिटी माननाय अमति हाय साखा मालखं नों भारतनि अनेक राज्य चिनि अब हास्ते हाबार नों थाङै नायखियाय अनेक हाकतर नों मानि गलाक थाङै चिनि अमहाय मडेल कासे साखा मालखौ खूब कम राज्य न मांखौ ताबो जरातै नों ताबो अर सिनि जों बाथा गया ताबो बसखां थानाय जों नंनि सपोर्ट बाय नंनि आबो बाय जों ताबो बसखां हिम आगो गइतलांनाय बन ताबो चिनि बुबाग्रा ताबो प्लानिंग खायखिया ताबो चाइतो खाजे अर ब्लाड बैंक गासेस बआबो खान्या हिनै जतनि हामक्रानि बागै अमो सपोर्ट जुदु बुबाग्रा सिमिरि माबाय अंगिया चिनि जत ओ जागा फाइ माजा फाइ चे नारबाय सं चिनि ऑनरेबल ईएम मेंबर सं बरक बजतन बंनि या फलगैसि तिनि जों ओ जागा फाइ नंनि बागै जों मन तुइ फाइमानो
So with the note that, we have a lot of responsibility which we have taken on behalf of this administration structure headed by His Honorable Excellency, we assure you that nobody should be refused with healthcare. Any life which could be saved will be saved, and wellness should be retained for all. From a pain mitigating society, we want you to become a proactive, health seeking and a healthy society. And thank you for giving us this opportunity, and we will do our job well. Thank you very much.
Ora simi जों पाया ora simi जों चाइटक मा चिनि पाइमं पाया जों ताबो हिमै थानाय चिनि महाराजनि हेल्प दै नंग जतनि हेल्प दै नरगुनो जों गासा अब असुस्थ समाज থেকে সুস্থ সমাজ हेल्दी समाज কাইতलांनाय नंगनो जेरै खनाय सिमिया अक्रा चाक्रा नबो जों सुस्थ काइतलांनाय जेमन गासा लिडिंग एग्जांपल दङ चिन बस थानाय हादिवनो 104 बोसोरनि बरं गोनां जों मासा चिनि एपोलो इमारजेन्सी फाइनो ट्रिटमेन्ट नङै बताबं नगो थाङै सुस्थं थांखा जों नंनो जों अबसिमि सानो जे नंनि बो सपोर्ट दिदि जोंनो जों बन दं थानाय चिन महाराजानि स्वप्ननो जों पुरा खाइतलांनाय थैंक यू
Thank you, honorable.